Hello students, welcome back to another session. Today in this session we discuss standard level of chapter integer class 6. So guys, I already completed the basic level. So if you not see the session, you can see by click on I button or go to the playlist. So let's start the session. First question number 1. Write the integer which when multiplied by -1 gives 74. Okay, question number 1. -1 into 74. We know that in multiplication same sign, okay, same sign is equal to plus, and different sign when we multiply then it will be minus, means plus plus equal to plus, minus minus equal to plus, but plus minus and minus plus is equal to minus. Okay, now here is different sign, so minus 74. Next question number 2. What is the successor of the greatest negative integer? We know that greatest negative integer is -1. Okay, and the successor means we plus 1 means we add. So plus 1 minus 1, the different sign subtract, so 0. The answer is 0. But we know that in negative number when we find the successor, simply we write the next number by right number. Okay, suppose this is number line, here is 0, -1, -2 and 1 and 2. Successor means -2 successor is -1 and -1 successor is 0, 0 successor is 1. Understand, like that. Next question number 3. Compute -1 to the power 78. It is very important. How to solve? Now you should remember that is minus to the power odd is always minus, and minus to the power even is always plus, and 1 to the power any number is always 1. So minus to the power or even, that is plus, and 1 to the power 78, that is 1. So answer is plus 1. Understand? Now question number 4. What will be the sign of the product 7 negative, means -7 into 3 positive plus 3? So different sign, so minus 7 3 is 21. So answer is -21, right? Next question number 5. 2 marks. Using the number line represent the integer which is 2 less than -3. Okay, 2 less than -3. First we draw a number line. So here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here -1, -2 and -3. 2 less than -3. Okay, first we go to the -3. Okay, here is -4 and -5, -6. So first go to the -3. Okay, and now it's 2 less. 2 less means also we go backward, so 1 and 2. So answer is -5. Or you can write -3 less means -2, same sign, so same sign means we add 3 plus 2, that is 5, and put the same sign. So answer is -5. Okay, now question number 6. Simplify -400 plus 781 plus -1400 plus -81 plus 300. Okay, first we arrange. So -400, then plus 300 plus -1400 plus 781, then -81. Okay, now 400 minus 400 plus 300 means here is different sign. So different sign means we subtract 400 minus 300, that is 100. Then put the big number sign, that is minus. You remember the 2 formula, that is same sign or different sign. In different sign we subtract big number to small number and put big number sign. Understand? Big number sign. But in the same sign, simply we add the number and put the same sign. Okay, you should remember these two rules. Now plus minus 1400. Okay, here is how to solve. Now here is different sign. So 781 minus 81, that is 700. Put the bigger number, that is plus. Now here is same sign means put the same sign and add the number, that is 1500. So plus 700 again. Now different sign means we subtract, that is 800. Put the bigger number sign, that is minus. So answer is minus 800. Understand? Now question number 7, minus 30 minus 7. It is important. So how to solve? Now first we convert minus plus. So minus 30 plus 7, then absolute value. Now solve. Minus different sign means we subtract, that is 23. So minus, because big number sign is minus, then absolute value. So minus 23, absolute value is plus 23. So answer is plus 23. Okay. Now next question number 8, compare. How to compare? Now 18 into minus 3 plus 21 and 18 into minus 3, then square bracket, plus 21. Okay, first here is solve. First multiplication, 18 3 ja 54, then different sign means minus. In multiplication different means minus. Okay, now 21. Here is 18 into, first we add, because first we solve bracket, because the rule is BODMAS, that is bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, so first we solve the bracket. So bracket means plus, because big number sign is plus. 21 minus 3, that is 18, so plus 18. Okay, now so 18 into 18, that is 324, and here is minus, because big number is minus, and 413, and then here is 523. Okay, minus 33. So which one is greater? Now 324 is greater, so less than. Clear? Now question number 9, a man travel 30 km east. Okay, suppose this is a man travel 30 km east. East is here because this is north, then south, east, then west, then this is 30 km east, and place A. Suppose this is place A, and okay, from A to B. Then from B he travels 60 km west. Okay, वापस असला 60 km and reach C. Then total is 60 km. Okay, now find the distance from C from A. Okay, C from A, this distance is also 30. How to solve? Now 60 minus 30 minus 60, here is minus 30, or we can say that 30 km. Okay, now next question, the last question number 10, using the distributive property, simplify. Here how to solve? Now first we take common, that is 2231 into the remaining is 25 into 6 minus 10 into 15. Okay, now 2231 into 25 6, that is 150, then 150. So 150 minus 150 is 0. So now the answer is 0. Okay, so next part 3 I will upload soon. So till then, thank you.